For Colgate All Access, I'm Ben Johnston here at Mikey Stadium for today's Patriot League men's lacrosse matchup. But first, let's take it back to the studios in Hamilton, New York for an important message from our athletic director.
Hi, my name is Vicki Chun. I'm the Director of Athletics at Colgate. I'm here with Colin Murphy, who is 4 years old. He's one of our youngest sports expert on campus. Colin, how are you today?
Good.
Is this your first time being interviewed?
Yes.
Do you like it so far?
Yes.
So what is your favorite sport?
Lacrosse.
Now, do you like all sports too? Or do you have another sport that you like?
Football and tennis.
Wow, so lacrosse, football, and tennis. Now, I hear that you know this guy.
Oh, that's my dad. That's my dad.
That's your dad? So what does he do?
He plays lacrosse.
He does. He did play lacrosse.
And he coaches it.
Yeah, for which team?
Colgate.
Colgate. Now, do you ever give your father advice?
What does that even mean?
Oh, well, let's see. You know what? That's a good question because I don't think I knew what the word advice meant when I was 4 years old. So, do you ever do you ever tell your dad what the team needs to do for the next day? Or you did? Oh, you don't. You don't. So before a game, so who are we playing?
Army.
Army.
And Holy Cross.
Oh, and Holy Cross. Are they good? They are? Oh, okay. Will we beat them?
I hope so.
I hope so too. Or this one gets fired, but we won't talk about that. So who's your favorite player?
Ryan Walsh.
Ryan Walsh. Could that be this guy right here?
Different number.
Different number.
That's
You're right.
That's his old number.
That is his old number. What's his number now?
22.
22. Do you know why?
Because he changed his number.
You're right. You're right. He changed his number. I think when he was in high school, he had a good friend with that number 22. And that was taken until his senior year. And so he got to change it in honor of his friend. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
You and Ryan pretty close?
Well, yes.
Oh, that's cool. And he's good too?
Yeah. He's a good offense.
He is?
Yeah.
How's his defense?
Good.
Oh, so he's just like good all the way around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, who's this guy?
Cody.
Cody. Well, now what does he do?
He trains. But now he has a beard.
He does have a beard. This is like an old picture. I pulled this from the internet. And so he's an athletic trainer.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I heard someone else in your family is an athletic trainer.
My mom.
Really? Is she a really good athletic trainer? So when you get hurt, does she take care of you right away?
If the boys get hurt.
So you're going to be at the game?
Yes.
You are?
I'm going to the game.
You are?
And Holy Cross.
Oh, wow. Now, where do you usually like to watch the game?
And I like watching it on TV.
Oh, yes. That's fun, too.
Yeah. I watched it when they were against Loyola.
Oh, that was a great win, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. It was 11-4.
Wow. You do know your lacrosse, and you know your Colgate athletics. If you had a chance to talk to the team right before they play Army and Holy Cross, what would you say to them?
Win and have fun. Win against Holy Cross and go have fun.
That's perfect. I couldn't have said it better myself. Thank you for this interview.
Thank you, Vicki and Colin, for those amazing insights on today's matchup. Now let's take a look at the sights and sounds from today's match.
Search! Days, all the drugs down the road. Plus I've been sipping, so this moving kind of slow. Just tell my girl that.
Let's get it, boys. Leave no doubt, fellas. Leave it on the line for each other. All three together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Here we go, boys.
Get that. We go white.
Penalty assessed to Army West Point, number 42, Al Di Stefano, 1 minute for slash.
Here you go, Emma! Oh, well, boss! Yeah, man! 105!
Clear. All right. All we're doing is exactly what we would do. Okay. They're bumping one way, so when we go over and deep, they're flowing this way. Drive up, get them to commit this way, throw it over, get back quickly, and right out. That's all it is. Okay, that's all you gotta do.
Watch it.
Let's finish the half now, fellas. Let's finish it out. On three together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
More. Roger.
Yep.
On the ice cream. Find us at Army Athletic Stadium and campus. Blue Bunny Ice Cream is a win every time.
There we go, 6. So what's next? There we go, 6.
So what's next?
Yes. Fellas, offensively, okay? Give them that. All right, we're getting looks, all right? You guys are doing a good job, okay? Working hard. Okay. Hey, one thing I want to try to do, okay? I want to start in X, okay? Come out and start in X. Let's look to take the top side, okay? Let's force the middle of the field a little bit. You guys with me on that?
Keep it up. You're trying to put sliding on the field, where's big?
Oh, yeah!
Hey, fellas, that's just the start of your game. That's just the start. You get 30 minutes. Really bad trouble. If they're subbing, it's going to be one of these four guys on the field. If one of these four guys, your teammates are on the offensive end, we're staying in the white, staying in here.
It is 0-0. All right, you gotta continue to grind on defense, continue to move the ball, and attack smart on offense. You go, goalie. Let's go. Second half, 30 more minutes. All three together. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Moved on the ice rink. Find us in the athletic stadiums and aspects of the campus. Blue Bunny Ice Cream is a winner every time.
Here we go, Snack! Gotta dig deep, fellas. Gotta find a third quarter. Let's be great, fellas. Be great. Be great for 30. Be great for 30 minutes. All three together. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Top center. Huh? Yeah.
It's just not the other system. I have to move them that way.
Yeah! Here we go. Okay, after a little bit of time. Hey, if you got to take it, score. Don't risk the turnover. Score the goal. Okay. Hey, shoot it. If you listen. Okay, Minnie's, you're high. If he comes high, clear through underneath, then you kick back out high. Here we go. Let's go. We got to finish, fellas. Got to finish. Hey. Let's go. Hey, Minnie, stay on and play in the right. Okay, stay on and right. Okay? Go. Stay in front. Stay in front. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Thank you for your attendance at tonight's game. We hope to see you again on May 2nd when your Army West Point lacrosse team takes on the Notre Dame Fighting.
1, 2, 3. Army! Good job. Hey, buddy. How are you? Good to see you. Feelings good? Yeah, they're good. Good job. Thank you very much. Good job, guys. Good job. Great job. All done, my job. Thanks. Okay. We'll see you soon.